Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you a lure I found while fishing today. If I can find it, of course. I don't think this is the correct box. I was fishing with two good friends, and unfortunately my brother. I'll show you some pics here in a second. After show you the bait. Here is the Googan squad. Was most likely up on a tree. I was talking to somebody, and I stepped, and I heard a rattling noise, and I kind of searched for a little bit, and I found it. It was all covered up with line and stuff. I'm gonna see if I can repair this. It's in decent condition. We're gonna try bringing back the shine into it. The camera really doesn't do it justice. We're gonna bring some shine into it, and we're gonna replace that front hook and probably the rear hook. The rear hook is starting to get a little bit rusty. If you guys can see that, if my phone never focuses. I'm sure you guys get the point. So, I'm gonna close up here. We're gonna lift this up here for a moment. Okay. Here is some photos. I caught a couple smallmouth, a couple walleye. My brother caught a couple walleye, and a nice sucker. So here's the photos. Okay, so now we're gonna find some treble hooks that will be like a reasonable size at least. I have some oversized ones. I couldn't find any of the small ones that we have. I tried looking for my dad's ice fishing tackle, so I could put some similar hooks onto it. But I'm sure these things will be fine. Down here, these little guys. These littler guys. So I'll just put one of those on. And might as well do front and back. So let's put all these guys back. These are what I use for putting on bluegill and then trying to catch some pike and such. So now is the task. It's a little bit bigger. It's pretty bigger. It's pretty bit. It's very, very large. More. I can't even talk today. It's kind of been a longer day, but it was a pretty fun day. This is quite a difference in size, but I'm sure it won't make much of a difference in the action. We'll find out. So first, I found this here, so I'm just gonna use this. So as kind of this ridge here, hopefully that's able to pry that little split ring there. So I'm gonna find a way to prop this up. My phone stay up, and yet you guys can be out of the camera. Do this. So I'm just gonna try to pry in that thing there. Without injuring myself or my phone. Let's see if I can just pry it enough just to put the first hook on. Okay, I'm sure it'll just slide on there. Put enough pressure on there without it tipping over. Why is this so hard? Maybe I just suck at this. But I'm sure other people have the same problem as me. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to grab this. I'm going to pull it up. I'm going to clamp it. Okay, so there it is. It's clamped. Now, if my phone can cooperate. Now I gotta pry this through. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna grab my knife. Grab my knife. As probably no one knows, this is the knife I found in a previous video. Or in a video while lure hunting. It's not working now. Okay. I still haven't changed that, but I will here shortly because it's starting to get dull. Let's prop this up now. And we got this Swiss Army knife. There we go. This is going to be a really boring video. Okay, I'm going to pause so I don't bore you guys. Finally, after a long time, I got it on, so that it's, you can tell it's pretty oversized. Whoopsies. Let's see if I can find it without stabbing myself. Got it. Yeah, it's pretty oversized. Now, for the rear. Yeah, that took me a long time for the front. But, I'm guessing. Yeah, you guys won't know. That one didn't take too long, but I kind of got it stuck into the boat, so I had to cut the thing off, so. Yeah, here is the old hook. I'll put it on the sea so it focuses a little bit more. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, so apparently I wasn't recording. I got it stuck into the thing, so that's why that thing is there. I got the rear thing off, and here is the hook. I'm sorry for the shakiness and the pretty bad camera quality, but it's not going to focus, I'm guessing. Yeah, still doesn't want to focus, so whatever. Let's get on to the next one. Okay, well, this fell off, so I'm going to do this a different day. So I'll see you whenever I get back to this. So maybe tomorrow, which I won't have enough time to, or maybe 2 days from now, or a day from now, maybe even a week from now. You never know. I'll see you. See you when I'm not tired. Bye. It's the next day now, and we finally got the treble hooks on. So now I gotta clean it up, see if I bring back any color into it. I don't think it needs much cleaning, but yeah, I'm also going to see if I can fix the paint up here with some like Sharpie or something, just to make it look a little bit nicer. Let's see what we can do. So I'm going to start cleaning this. I'm going to just do that. Hopefully it doesn't rust. Keep this. Brought back a little bit of color. That's probably just from it being wet. Okay, now I'm going to dry it off. And yeah. Okay, so I'm going to start coloring on this thing a little bit. This is making it look a little bit better. We're going to let that dry. And then it should be pretty much brand new.